Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off Snapchat story notification. You have a lot of friends on Snapchat, and when someone posts a story, the notification annoys you, but don't worry, I have solutions for that, just follow my steps. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. First, open a Snapchat app on your device. After that, click on this icon of your profile in top left corner. Now you are come on your profile, and you need to go on this settings button in top right corner of screen. That will open this side menu and you need to go on notifications field. Now, watch this step carefully, because this step is important. You need to remove selection on this stories from friends field. After that, scroll to the bottom of this page. And go manage story notifications. This step serves for if you want to have notification from someone friend, just select how many friends you want, and when you finish press on done. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.